morning we're going to the Incense Village. But we're not gonna join a we're not gonna join a tour. Ano pangalan nun?
Ano?
Basta yung mga tours.
City tour.
Oo. So just gonna do it DIY. We're gonna use Grab. We're using Grab now and we're going to Catlin Station. And then from Catlin Station, we're gonna go to another station using, of course, the train. And then from there, then get a bus going to local bus going to Incense Village. Alright, we're here at Catlin Station. Ayan. First, we're gonna get a ticket. Ano? What? 38,000. Which way here? Thank you. Here we tap. All right, we're gonna tap here. Oh,
Wow.
that's good.
Wow. I'm staying on that.
Yes. All right, let's go. Ayan. So we want to go here to Brian Station. Ang ganda na train nila. We left the hotel around 6:45, got to the train station around 6:50 maybe, and then bought our tickets and made it to the platform before 7. And at exactly 7 a.m., the train left. So, only do this when you are not tight sa schedule kasi di naman kami nagmamadali and we really want to experience yung lahat ng transpo available here in Hanoi or here in Vietnam, because every time we travel, we try to do that. We ride the bus, the boat, whatever is available in transportation, so we can compare what they have here and what we have back in our country, so we can bash our own country. Charot. So yun. So far so good. They have a very nice train station, nice system as well. Yung mga PA system nila dito, like for example, yung sa atin is paparating na sa magsasara yung pinto, wag harangan yung pinto, mga ganon. They don't have it here. Maganda yung, kumbaga, yung PA system nila is aligned doon sa kunwari, nandun ka na sa station na yon. So, automated pala. Exactly 21 minutes. 21 minutes is the travel time from Catlin Station to Genya Station. Nice. We're looking for the bus station. Actually, saw the bus station here. That's the bus station we're looking for. That's bus to 1A. So this is how the station looks like. Sa dulo doon. If you are not comfortable getting lost, don't do this. Pero kami kasi, it's part of the adventure. See the sign. So that's the, ano pangalan ito? Catlin Station. This is the bus station. Yan niya. And the fare is 12,000 Vietnamese dollars. Diba? It's so affordable. It's 7:32 or 33. We waited for like maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes. The bus ride takes about an hour kasi it literally stops at every bus station along the way kahit walang passenger na naghihintay. One thing I really like about the bus trip is you get to see their everyday life along the road. Alright, so stop here. Oh, that's the bus stop. Cross this bridge. Walk lang tayo papunta doon. So, this is the first one na makikita nyo. This one. Thank you. Follow natin si Kuya. Here? This is the place. Oh, thank you. Gaganon tayo kung paano nilagyan. Oh.
Okay.
I think one of the best things about doing this DIY instead of, joining a tour is you can arrive and leave whenever you want. We got there before the crowds, and for around 30 minutes, we basically had the whole place to ourselves. We also got the chance to see and experience how they actually lay the incense sticks on the ground. I'm pretty sure you won't get to experience this once, tour buses start arriving. So you can spend at least an hour here taking photos and learn yung incense making or yung incense stick making rather. Ito yung bus stop if you wanna go back to the train station. So that is bus 91 arriving. So we're going back to old quarter.
So may electric na dito.
Okay, well, let's go sa may electric. Ayan, madami electric fans dito. So if yung pakay mo lang talaga is, take photos and videos with those colorful incense sticks and you have half a day, then maybe you can try this one. Kasi it's, for me, it's easy naman. It's just, there's really a language barrier. If you want to communicate with the locals in asking directions, so yun, it's really a challenge for me. Pero it was fun, it's a learning experience na hindi ganon kagaling magsalita ang mga Vietnamese ng lengguaheng Ingles. Hindi naman kami nawala, which is nice. Which is nawala. Kasi madali lang naman talaga siya for someone like me na who's doing DIY trips. And that's a wrap on our DIY trip to Quang, also known as the Incense Village. We spent around 140,000 dong per person, or roughly 340 pesos. Compare that to around 1,500 per person if we booked a tour through Klook or just went by Grab. Hope this helps with your Hanoi trip and DIY trip to the Incense Village.